Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about cucumbers, and I have a list of foods broken up into different categories that are known to pair well with cucumbers. So if you're looking for some idea for a new type of salad or a meal using cucumbers, hopefully this will help you out. In the way of protein foods, that includes legumes, nuts, and seeds, we have almonds, beans in general, beef, black beans, chicken, chickpeas, eggs, lamb, lentils, peanuts, peas as in green peas, pine nuts, seafood, sesame seeds, tahini, tofu, tuna, and walnuts. In the way of other vegetables that go well with cucumbers, there's arugula, beets, bell peppers, cabbage, carrots, celery, chilies, chives, eggplant, endive, escarole, fennel, greens as in salad greens, jicama, kale, lettuce, mushrooms, onions, potatoes, radishes, scallions, sea vegetables, shallots, spinach, sprouts, tomatoes, and watercress. In the way of fruits that go well with cucumbers, there's apples, apricots, avocados, citrus fruits, coconut, grapes, lemon, lime, mangoes, melon of all sorts, olives, orange, papaya, peaches, pears, pineapple, plums, pomegranates, strawberries, and watermelon. In the way of grain and grain products, there's bulgur, couscous, farro, noodles like Asian noodles such as soba noodles or udon, pumpernickel bread, quinoa, rice, and spelt. In the way of dairy and non-dairy foods, there's butter, buttermilk, cheese like cream cheese, feta, goat cheese, ricotta, and soft white cheese, coconut milk, cream, kefir, milk like dairy milk and non-dairy milk of whatever choice, sour cream, and yogurt. In the other foods category, there's honey, mayonnaise, mustard as in Dijon mustard, oil, especially olive oil, sesame sauce, soy sauce, sugar, vinegar, especially cider, red wine, rice wine, and white wine vinegar. I do hope this helps you out. This is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Bye for now.